Anyway, forgive me for not having my nails done, but I had to get here on time. Anyway, enough nonsense. Thank you for helping me out with that last song. I didn't have my little ear thing in so I can hear myself, because I can't really hear you guys that well. So, while we're here, I want to discuss the fact that the next song is from the Emancipation of Mimi. And once again, I have True Worship Choir here, and I have my pastor, Pastor Clarence Keaton, an amazing man who's helped me through many times, and we're going to sing this song for you. He's featured on the record, and I have to humbly, first of all, give thanks to the Lord for that, and also thank Pastor Clarence Keaton for participating and starting off the song with these words he's about to say. This is Fly Like a Bird.